it's Laynie and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you guys haven't clicked the subscribe button, go ahead and click the subscribe button and join the Lash fam. I promise you will not regret it. I wanted to do a random upload this week because I'm only uploading one day a week now with having a baby on the way, getting things ready, you know, energy levels, all of that stuff. I've only been doing one video a week on Sundays, so yes, come back on Sundays, check out my latest upload. But this week I wanted to do a short and sweet little random upload for you guys because I have a couple things I have really been loving, and it has nothing to do with makeup, hair, fashion, or anything like that. It actually is what? Lifestyle, home. I found some products on Amazon for cleaning my house that I really like, and I don't know about you guys, but where I live, cleaning supplies have still been a struggle. Like, they're few, far, and in between, and finding those products you usually really love, it has been difficult. So if you want to see the products I picked up on Amazon, then just keep watching. So I actually really enjoy cleaning my house. Is that weird? I find it therapeutic. I like when my house is in order. I like when it feels clean. It makes me feel my best. But I'm not someone who is really big into having lots of cleaning supplies. Part of it is because my house is really lacking in storage. Like, I don't have a lot of places to stick stuff. So I like multitasking products, and I usually reach for cleaning supplies that are more naturally based. I've been doing this for quite a few years now. You know, for tough jobs, I will still reach for things like I do have a can of Lysol on hand that I will spray down like door handles with, or you know, things that people touch a lot. I will do that on occasion to really try to kill some bacteria, some viruses, you know, 2020. And then I keep some like disinfecting wipes on hand again for those tough jobs that need a little extra cleaning. But for the daily kind of wipe down stuff or the weekly kind of wipe down stuff, I try to stick with more naturally based products. And I don't know about you guys, but like finding my favorite naturally based cleaning supplies where I live has not been easy. And I usually went with 7th Generation quite often. I went with Mrs. Meyer's. I really liked their stuff. I loved the scents of Mrs. Meyer's. Like, it smells so good. The honeysuckle one just makes my house smell so nice. But finding those have been really tricky, and even just having options for other more naturally based cleaning products has been really tricky. It's still really sparse here. Let me know if it's sparse where you guys live too. But so anyway, so I was like going almost every day for like a week, going on the Mrs. Meyer's website, trying to see what was available, and it was always sold out. I was looking at like all the local stores, everything's just selling out, or they would have just one, and I needed like a little mini cleaning supply haul. Like, I needed more than one spray. Like, I needed a couple things. So I was like, I don't want to have to go to all these different stores to hunt down these different products that I need. So I was like, why did I not think of this before? Amazon. Like, duh. So I'm glad I checked it out because I found some products I actually really am impressed with. So I wanted to share them with you guys. The first thing is not even for the home so much per se. It is something that I'm kind of a freak. Like, do you ever just think about how dirty your cell phone is? I do a lot. Like, ew. So I try to wipe mine down frequently. I try to wipe down my laptop frequently, you know, the remote controls around the house frequently. And this is all from the same brand from Amazon. Better Life is the brand. I will link everything down below. This is their Naturally Smudge Punching Screen Cleaner. Removes fingerprints. So it's not like it's so much an antibacterial or something like that, but I just feel better when I know I've wiped it down. And also my laptop was getting super smudgy, like really bad, and this actually works really well. Don't spray anything directly on your cell phone, okay? Don't do it. Not recommending that. I usually spray them onto a paper towel first. Anything I'm wiping down my phone with or electronics, I put a little bit on a paper towel, not too wet. And I also, my phone has a glass screen protector on it and a regular protector on it. So, just, okay. I don't want anyone to mess up their tech stuff, okay? I just feel like things get gross and grubby and I just want to wipe them down. So I have been enjoying having this on hand. I keep it in the drawer in our living room right by where I'm always editing, so that way it's just like easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, now for the house, the products I have been loving for wiping down like our kitchen counters, the stove, just basic wiping down anything. I have really been loving this. Again, Better Life from Amazon. Naturally Filth Fighting All-Purpose Cleaner. This is Clary Sage and Citrus. It's got a little bit of a scent in there. It's not very strong. It's not in your face. It's nothing like the Mrs. Meyer's like that. It's full on smell, fragrance, which I like that, but I know a lot of people aren't into strong scents. So this is nice for that. It's not overpowering. I feel like it does a really good job of breaking down, especially if you spilled a little something on your countertop or your stove when you're cooking. Like, it does a really good job, and I can basically use it for any hard surface. I just spray some on, or I spray it on a paper towel, wipe it down. It does a really good job. It doesn't leave behind like any type of slick or film on the countertops. I have really enjoyed this. I actually bought 2 bottles of it when I ordered it, and I would definitely repurchase. I really like this stuff, and I feel like it's a very big bottle, and I don't need a ton of it when I use it. I can't remember the price off of the top of my head, but none of these were like crazy expensive at all, and they get shipped right to your door. It's so easy. Then for bathroom wiping down, I do like to keep bathroom cleaning separate from kitchen cleaning, and that's just, again, me being like kind of a germaphobe. This is the Better Life Tub and Tile Cleaner. This has tea tree and eucalyptus. Again, there is a scent there, but I don't feel like it's overpowering at all. It does a really good job. I use this on the sink. I think I even used this on the mirror one time because I was out of Windex. Windex is my go-to for the mirrors. It got off the gunk on the mirror. I think it was a little streaky. It wasn't perfect, but if you're in a bind, you can try it out. This worked really good on our countertops. It worked really good on our faucets. We have like a silver or stainless steel or whatever faucet that gets lots of watermarks on it. Cleans that right up. I use this on wiping down the toilets. I've used it on wiping down the inside of the bathtub. I use a lot of body products in the shower. I don't really take baths. My bathtub is so small. And I do get like a film around the bottom of the tub, and I can't stand that. And this did a good job of cleaning it up. I really like this. I feel like it's worked really well, and again, a little bit goes a long way. I'm not going through this that fast. I'm definitely going through this one faster because I wipe down my kitchen like every day, multiple times a day. This one, once a week, clean the bathroom up, really get in there and clean it good, and I really like this. And then the last product is again for the bathroom. This is the Better Life Toilet Bowl Cleaner, tea tree and peppermint. One thing that really drew me to these bathroom cleaners is the fact they include tea tree. I love tea tree oil. It's miraculous to me, in my opinion. It's wonderful. I always have a bottle of tea tree on hand. If you're having skin problems like a breakout or a little bit of a rash or a cut that you want to just make sure it's good and clean and taken care of, you put a little vitamin E and tea tree oil together. It's wonderful. I love tea tree. Tea tree is very naturally antimicrobial. That's hard to say. You know what I'm trying to say. It's like antibacterial naturally. So I loved that the bathroom products included tea tree. I was like, that is right up my alley. I love that. I don't mind the scent of tea tree. Tea tree is kind of it smells kind of like a tree. I mean, it's very rustic. So I don't know if that's for everybody, but it doesn't bother me. It cleaned the toilet, you guys. I don't know how to really rate toilet bowl cleaner, but it cleaned it, so I feel like that's all I can ask for, right? And those are the products I found on Amazon that I have really been loving. I will definitely reorder these. Honestly, I feel like these are going to be my go-to cleaning products for my like every day, every week wipe down of my home. I love these. I feel good about them. They have better ingredients. It says no alcohol, no petroleum solvents, no synthetic fragrances, no dyes, no chlorine or bleach, no SLS or SLEs, none, never, nope, just the good stuff. I feel good about using them. Definitely like a natural toilet bowl cleaner I feel better about because you know that's like going into the water when you flush the toilet and then it's just getting into all the water. And I don't know, I just feel like I can clean my house and rest easy, that I'm making a little better decision about what I'm using, and the price was right and it came right to my door. I love it. Okay guys, that is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed this random little upload, and like I said, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, click the subscribe, join the Lash family. You will not regret it. I seriously hope you guys are doing fantastic. Thank you so much for all your kindness and kind feedback and messages on the little baby that is on the way. I am so excited for you guys to come along with this, and I just really appreciate you guys reaching out. I've had some of the sweetest messages come through, so thank you so much. And yeah, you guys, as always, please try to stay positive, because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.